And they even took samples.
Yeah.
They tried to do, it's called Koch's postulates. Koch's postulates, he was right around the time of Louis Pasteur. So Louis Pasteur, right around the time that Koch said, okay, if we're going to definitely say that this microorganism causes your disease, then what we've got to be able to do is isolate that microorganism from someone who is sick, put it into a dish, grow it out so that we have other ones, and then give that to a healthy person, and they should get the same sickness, and then we should be able to take that out and do another person. So that meets Koch's postulates, okay? Now, nothing has ever met it. Nothing has ever met it. You can't do that with anything. You can't do that with staph, with strep, or any of that. Nothing. So anyway, during the Spanish flu, they actually took snot out of one person and put it into a healthy person. They did this to thousands, literally, I forget how many people, 20,000, 30,000 people. They took their blood, they took the urine, they took saliva, they took the cough, the phlegm. They took all these things. They could not reproduce it. They could not meet Koch's postulates. And those Koch's postulates, now the scientific literature is saying, well, Koch's postulates can't possibly work with viruses, right? And so, but they don't really work with, like I could take strep and give it to you. Somebody walks in right now, and there's 5 of us, and they sneeze all over us. 2 of us get sick and 3 don't. Why?
It's because you're saying it's stimulating. It's already within
Well,
us.
it's because of our immunity, right? It's because of our immunity. And this person was already sick. If I have like right now, if I were to swab your throat and my throat, we probably a good chance of having staph. They're natural. They live in us. But they're under control because we have a good flora. When they get out of control is when our immunity breaks down, right? And a big part of our immunity is our gut. But anyway, so there's a controversy whether or not viruses actually exist. The question is, what are we all reacting to? So no, there's so much unknown, and I don't really have the answers. Nobody does.